All right, fifth graders, your learning target for today is I can find the median of a set of data. So we're focusing all about median. You can see the learning target for the unit as well, that we are working on collecting, organizing, displaying, and analyzing data to accurately infer, to predict, and to solve real-world problems. So today, the way we're analyzing that data is to find the median. Now, another word for median, well, I'll tell you in a minute. So, if I were to tell you, okay, here's a set of data. 6 is the median. Here's a set of data. 4.5 is the median. What do you notice? Well, hopefully you noticed, look, the median is in the middle. Did you also notice that the numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest? Okay, those are a couple of things hopefully you noticed because that is important to finding the median. To find the median, we need to find the middle number of a data set when listed in order from least to greatest. That's the part that a lot of students forget about and then they get it wrong. Because look at this set of data. Okay, just in random order. If somebody forgot to put it in order, they might say that the median was 3. But then if I look at all my numbers, 3 is definitely not in the middle when I think about how big those numbers are. 3 is the smallest. So that's why we need to put it in order. So then we can see, oh, 14 is in the middle. So that is my median. It helps median, has a middle, has a D. That can help you remember. Also, like I said, there's a song. Don't worry, you'll learn it in a couple of lessons. It says, hey, diddle, diddle, the median's the middle. So it can remind you to find that middle number. All right, so I'm going to pull up this and we're going to do some practice with some different problems. So if I have the numbers 96, 83, 71, 60, and 83. Now I do want to say, keep watching because I'm going to help you with one of the tricky problems on your worksheet, even if you feel like you got it. So median, what do I do first? Put it in order. So I have 71, 83, 83. If a number shows up more than once, I have to write it twice. 96. Oops, I forgot 60. So I have to go back and put that at the beginning. I always like to check that I have the same number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes sure, then I know I didn't forget any. Because it's easier to forget them, especially when there's more. So, find the middle. I like to go cross, 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 cross. And then I have the middle. 83 is right there in the middle. Let's do another example. And then I'm going to do a harder one that has an even number of numbers. So if I have 174, 100, 3, 21, 3, 124, and 87. Okay, first step, put them in order. Least to greatest, 3, 3, 21. Notice I can also cross them off as I go, so I know that I got them because it can be hard to keep track of. 124. You are going to need to write this down as you're doing your worksheet. You're not just going to want to do it in your head. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So cross, 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 cross. So 87 is my median. Because why? It's in the middle when I put them in order from least to greatest. Now, technically, I could put them in order from greatest to least, and it wouldn't matter, if you're wondering. Now, say I had an even number of numbers. So I had 78, 160, 55, Maybe these are the yards that Dalvin Cook ran. Sometimes we get sort of a context, like a story. Sometimes we just get random numbers. So if I have those numbers, what do I do first? Put them in order. So 37, 55, 73. Oops, I missed 58. See? Gotta be careful. It's easy to do. 73, 78, and 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I got all my numbers. So cross, 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 cross. Uh-oh, I have 2 in the middle. What do? I need to find what is exactly in the middle of those 2 numbers. So the way I do that is I can use a calculator. Calculators are fine for this unit. I need to add them together. 58 plus 73 equals 131. So I do 58 plus 73 equals 131. Then I take that number and I divide it by 2 to find out what is exactly in the middle. So essentially I'm finding the mean of those 2. No, you don't know what that is yet. All right, 65.5. So I'll either get a whole number or I'll get a 0.5 for my median. Okay? So if I just get 1 in the middle, it's fine. If I get 2 in the middle, I need to add them together and then divide by 2. Okay? Let's go to your worksheet for this one. So here, 5 problems to do. You're finding the median. Some of them, I believe, have an odd number of numbers. Some of them have an even number. So you'll just have to see. Now, I'm going to help you with C because those have decimals. And we haven't talked about putting decimals in order yet. So I'm going to help you do that part of it. So I have 3.04 is the smallest. Then I have 3.05. Then 3.4, have another 3.4, then I have 3.5, I know I'm going into the next box, that's fine, you should be doing it on a paper, anyway, 4.03, so I'm going to have to switch to this one, because I'm going off into the margin, 4.03. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Good. So now, cross, 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 cross. I have 2 in the middle. So what do I need to do? Add them up. Divide by 2. So this one actually won't be a 0.5. So when I said that, that rule only applies to whole numbers. Plus 3.5 equals, divided by 2, 3.45, which is right in between 3.4 and 3.5. Because you can think of this as 3.40 and 3.50, so 3.45 is right in the middle. So that's how we would do the decimal one. Let me know if you need any help with the other ones. Those are all commas on the other ones, not decimals, if you are wondering. All right, good luck.